Hi folks, Willie here. Welcome back to More Outdoors in sunny Northern Ireland. It's start of January here, and we're just going to do a wee bit of loader work. So we've got a load of bark to offload, and once we get the bark offloaded, we're just going to turn the compost. So I'll get the bark down here now, and we'll get it offloaded. So this is bark that a friend of mine, oh sorry, let me just clear out that stuff first. Whoa! That's slippy. Okay, let's see how this goes. So yeah, a friend of mine did a bit of tree work, took down or topped a big couple of eucalyptus trees and chipped it. So this is all the bark and the chips. So I don't know how this is really going to go here. In terms of, this is a very steep ramp, but we'll just give it a go, see what we can get done. Beat the life out of shoveling, but we might need to turn the trailer or something. So if you're watching this video, I'm pretty certain you probably know what this machine already is, but just in case anybody's not familiar with them, these are, well, it's obvious it's a John Deere. It's John Deere's kind of professional or commercial range of garden tractor. So predominantly used as a lawnmower, but they were You can get a rear PTO. They've got hydraulics, so they're hydrostatic drive, and then the pump also can work various other things, such as this front loader. Yeah, so they're a super wee machine, these, you know, you're power steered. They're very small, so you can get in a whole lot of places. You're probably the power of a, you know, most of the sort of vintage tractors. You've 24 horsepower, about 18 horse at the PTO. This one doesn't have a PTO on it yet, but the older machine, it's a 495. It does. So this one is selectable 4-wheel drive. You can put a lever here just beside the seat, and that knocks it between 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. But I've actually just kept it 4-wheel drive here. Also having to kick the diff lock every now and again. Back there now. Come on. See, the bark bin is getting pretty full. Last bit. Okay, so we have the bark all in there, quite a bit. I don't know what that would be, maybe 3 cubes, something like that. This is just my attempt at cold composting. It's nothing too scientific. It's literally just dumping all the stuff as and when you get it, and every now and again giving it a bit of a mix with the wee front loader. So now it's coming to the winter time. Obviously the grass cut and all that kind of stuff has really died away down, and the main thing that's going on to them is ash from the fire. So I'm going to try and mix it up again, just one last time. Ideally, if I can, I would love to be able to empty this bin, this one here, and get it into that one. Too much for her to pull back, so let's see if we can break it with the curl. Yep. Wow, you can see that's really, really black, dark. That's really rich compost we get. And again. there. Yeah, we are filling that bin up rightly. We're almost there, we're just trying to get the last wee bit, but the problem is that the last bit means we're right down, you know, into the really slippy, slimy stuff, and I'm having to drive right the way in here. So there's a high risk of getting stuck. Wow, that's a serious bucket load there. What I'm trying to do so that this does not fall back on me is kind of make like a wee shelf for it, if you know what I mean. Let's give that a wee pat down. There's a couple of wee light drags. The plan for this is to try and rot all this compost down into a really fertile sort of a mix. Mix it then with a bit of top dressing sand and try and use it to top dress the garden, so or top dress the lawn. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for. Nevertheless, it'll be fantastic compost whenever it does rot away down. Just cold composting is obviously going to take longer than the hot composting, so but I'm not too worried. I've plenty of time. I have the wee loader there and I enjoy doing that kind of work. So that's down here rightly tidied up. We've got all the bark for putting around the flower beds, and we've now got an empty bin. And we've now got a bin that is absolutely full of compost, so I'm going to go and get the loader washed off and get everything put away here. So thanks again for watching, and catch you in the next one.